first time we touched, I knew right from that moment all that I need is in your arms. With every new day, we find our way to build up our future as one.
My eyes met yours and found open doors. My heart started hearing and still longs for more. Never before was my mind so sure that I enjoy sharing a love that's so pure. Paldies arī otriem gājienam, uz nano valsināt noslēdzošais trešais gājiens.